Do you want to know if Earnably really is a great way to make money online for free? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested Earnably for quite a while and been a member for years, and recently had a huge update that introduced quite a lot of new interesting features, and therefore I decided to record this updated Earnably review where I'll give you an inside look and show exactly how the new platform works so you know what to expect, and I will also show you payment proof so you can see for yourself that it really does pay. So before I log in and show you how you can now earn inside Earnably, let's go over who can join, because Earnably used to be available only in select countries, but after they had this huge update, they now opened it up so you can now join Earnably from all countries. So that's definitely a great improvement. But let me now then log in, and then you can see how you can earn, and we'll talk about how much you can earn also. So I have now logged into Earnably, and let's start by going over the ways you can earn before we then go through how to withdraw, and I'll show payment proof, and then we'll talk about how much you can overall earn. But they have several ways, and there's been some changes here. Now, for example, you can see what they have offers, and this is in general like, paid offers. They just have featured offers, and it's the same as you can find some here on this Explore tab there. You see they have different offer walls, as you will probably know if you used other get paid to sites. On the offer section, they've just kind of like featured them a bit more specific offers. But how it works is that you would choose any offer, you click it, you need to live up to a certain requirement. Sometimes it's to download a game and play it for a certain time. Sometimes there's paid service on these Explore and offers also. And other times there's some kind of subscription you need to sign up for as a free trial or something like that. So always read the conditions. Once you completed it, you will get the earnings into your account. You can see the points I currently have here, and you can see what you will get for each of these. We'll go over the value of these points later, of course. So the next option you can earn by doing is paid surveys. You can see right now there are no surveys available for me, and as it is with any site that offers paid surveys, how many you will get, that really depends on the country you live in. Sometimes it will be a lot of paid surveys, other times there will not be so many. For me right now, there are no, but in general, I have found quite a lot of different paid service on Earnably. So it's definitely a way to earn, and they also do pay quite decently for the service you can find in here. You can also earn by watching videos inside Earnably. That's a method they had before, and they still have a separate section for that. And you can see they, for example, have it through Hideout TV. So you would need to click, and then it will open up Hideout TV. You will watch it there, and then you can take your earnings into your Earnably account. And you need to usually watch, a video plus ads, and then you will earn 3 of these Hideout points, and that will then be converted into Earnably points when you withdraw it here. And let me just reveal right away, whether you use also, they have this Loot TV and Hideout TV, no matter which ones you're using, it does not pay a lot. That's not just for Earnably. In general, you will not earn a lot by watching videos. I have a video about the best ways to earn by watching videos. I will leave a link in the top corner for that. But in general, it's not something you can earn a lot from. The paid offers, the service pay a lot more. This is just a little bit extra, but it will take a lot of patience to earn even just $1 or so. The last option you can earn by using is by inviting others. So this is the referral program. If you invite others, you share your link, they join, and then when they earn, you earn 10%. They do not earn less. That's important to understand. They will earn the exact same, but 10% of what they will earn, Earnably will just give you. And this is also something that I have used. So some of my earnings is definitely also from this. And also I will leave my invitation link below. So if this video helped you, you're more than welcome to join through that to support my channel. But overall, this can be a way to earn extra and boost your earnings. But let's now then go over the payout options. I will show you payment proof, and then we'll talk about how much you can overall earn. So to withdraw, you go to the redeem section, and then you can see the different payout options. And this is also one of the big improvements they've done. They have actually introduced more payout options. In most countries, you can get paid in cash via PayPal, but then you can also choose gift cards, and exactly which gift cards are available, that will vary depending on the country you live in. And also the payout threshold will vary depending on your chosen payout method. You can see PayPal is one of the lowest. You can see I need 10,000 points. So I will click here to then withdraw, and you can see the options. 10,000 points is worth $1. So you only need to earn $1 to get paid. This is a super fast or low payout threshold. So they is one of the lowest payout threshold that you can find on Get Paid to sites actually. And one change that Earnably has also made since they made this huge update is that before, that if you cast out when you've only earned $1, so you paid more, you got less value for your points than if you waited. So now they've changed it so it's just the same, and I kind of appreciate that. So you get the same value even if you want to get paid fast. But as you can see, I have enough points here, you see, to earn or get paid $50. If I waited a little bit more, I could get out 100, and they have these jumps, so you can't choose an exact amount yourself. That's just, that's what they have chosen, and $100 is the most you can do. So but I'm recording now and I want to show payment proof now, so I will just take out these $50, even though I'm very close to reaching the $100 there. So I'll just click here to redeem. And I just cut there because it was my first time I cashed out since they made this update. So it actually took me to PayPal. I just had to log in and connect it. So then my PayPal account is now connected to my Earnably account also. So that's just like, that took me like 1 minute. I just had to log in to PayPal there. But then we'll just try again. Now it is connected, so I can click to redeem. And you can see it just says it's on its way and you should receive it within few minutes. So I just waited a couple of minutes and then jumped to my inbox, and as you can see, thanks for using Earnably, I got $50. They don't take a fee or anything, they pay the PayPal fee, so you can see you get the full amount and you really get it within a few minutes. So as you can see, Earnably definitely does pay, but how much can you then overall earn? Well, that really depends a lot on the country you live in, and of course also the effort you put in. As mentioned, I also have invited some people because I have some content about it and people have found that useful, and to support me they joined through my invitation link. And that has definitely helped me earn faster, but it's not one of the fastest paying Get Paid to sites in my experience, but it does give decent rewards, and I really like that they have so much improved the whole platform, which just helps with the user experience. They have more rewards. They just made it easier with the points, so you get better value for your points even if you want to cash out quickly. And what I really like is that they have a very low payout threshold, and as you can see, when you request a payout, they pay out within minutes, and that's definitely something I appreciate because there's a lot of Get Paid to sites that just takes forever to pay out, but Earnably is definitely one of the fastest paying ones. But you should only do this if you're looking to earn a bit of extra cash. It's not a way to make a living or anything like that, and exactly how much you can earn, that will vary from country to country, because in some countries there's a lot of paid service, a lot of paid offers. In others there's just not that many, and that's just how it is. There's nothing you can really do about that. But if you want to give Earnably a go, I will leave my invitation link below. I also have a full written review if you want to know even more details on my website. I'll also leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.